Okay.
The national anthem.
The State government held the River State Economic and Investment Summit. That investment summit was the first of its kind in the State and it was a big success. To harness the gains of that economic and investment summit, it is important that that be a vehicle to drive, promote, coordinate, and create a conducive environment for investment, development in River State through greenfield, brownfield, public-private partnerships, privatization, commercialization of state-owned assets and concessions, enterprise development schemes, etc. Accordingly, today, the 5th day of August of the year 2024, His Excellency will sign Executive Order number 2 of 2024 to bring to bear the River State Investment Promotion Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to present Executive Order number 2 to His Excellency for his signature. Thank you.
What we just did today, or some minutes ago, is in line with one of the recommendations of the special committee that handled the Economic and Investment Summit that we did sometime in May this year. As a fallout of that summit, we all agree that the windows and the big doors for economic advancement of the state has been opened. But it will be very important for us to have a one-stop shop. This will enable investors, when they come in, they don't need to run around maybe wrong individuals or association that will want to rip them of their investment. But they have an agency that they could go liaise with, and the agency will have the required answer to whatever it is their need. What are we doing today, or what have we just done today, is to tell the world that it's not just the summit, but we are living to our promise that River State will be great, economically great. We are not going to end here. In a couple of days, the agency will be properly constituted. Now that we have the agency signed, delivered to the good people of River State and prospective investor, the other part of it will commence. We're looking forward to a robust business deals that will be coming into our state, more especially in the areas of healthcare and agriculture. We understand what is happening in our country today. Half of the trouble is issue of feeding, the cost of living. If we're able to reduce the cost of living, 70% of our problem will be taken care of. And that is our dream and desire for Rivers people. Let me thank the Attorney General and the other members who have assisted to make sure that one of the recommendations, which is the first to have this agency signed, established. I want to thank you for the detailed job you've done. I want to assure you that I'm not going to end it in just signing it. but will drive it to the fulfillment of the desire of every Rivers people. Let me thank the executive members of this council for all your support. We have a lot to do, and we can only achieve it when we work together. Thank you.
You know, in the past in Rivers State here, we had state-owned companies and enterprises, some of them on the PPP model. We have what we call West African Glass Industry, Eastern Rod Iron Company, Nigerian Engineering Works that produce refrigerators, air conditioners, fridges, and cabinets for schools. I remember that in my boarding house days, all the metal cabinets we use were manufactured by Nigerian Engineering Works. Today, all those companies are moribund. And what it means is that government has lost revenue. But if those companies were functional, they would have employed people, and they would pay taxes to government. They would pay payee to government for employees. And they will create employment, and it will solve the social upheaval we have in the state. We are today in Rivers State, the civil government is the sole employer of labor. But with this investment promotion agency, Rivers State is going to partner with companies, individuals, corporations, and I'm sure the dynamics in the labor market will change. And it will be better for Rivers State. Many more young men will be employed, more revenue for the government, and it is a win-win for the state. So we hope that the investors, industrialists, entrepreneurs will take advantage of this Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The health sector is part of the reason this executive order is signed. How do you think it will improve what you do in the health ministry?
The productivity of any health sector is a derivation of collaborations amongst multi-sectoral partners. What His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, has done today by signing this executive order for the Investment Promotion Council of Rivers State is to create a unified body that will seek, attract, and motivate investors across multiple sectors. What this council will do is to ease the processes through which investments can come into Rivers State. His Excellency emphasized that several of those key areas where investments are being sought in Rivers State include healthcare and agriculture, amongst others. And so this Investment Promotion Council will enhance Rivers State's ranking within the ease of doing business as ranked nationally every year. We look forward to an increase in foreign direct investment, increase from indigenous investors in Rivers State across these very vital sectors that will improve not just the health, but the well-being and the development of people of Rivers State.